In this video, you'll learn how to set up a lead scoring profile and map to database fields. When your Sugar Market instance is created, there is a default contact scoring profile that is created as well. To navigate through this profile, you'll click the navigation bar and select Scoring Module. On this screen, you'll see all active profiles displayed. You can change the default to show all active and inactive profiles by clicking the checkbox on the right side of your screen. At the top right of your screen, you have the option to create a new scoring profile. To rescore your contacts and leads, you select one of your scoring profiles, then click on the top right pencil to edit. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice you have the option to rescore profile. When clicking the Rescore Profile button, the scoring profile you selected earlier will be rescored and will reset its scoring history. No scoring group actions will be performed during this process, but this may take several hours to complete. I would only recommend taking this action when several changes are made to one of your scoring profiles. To edit a profile, you'll need to hover over the pencil in the right-hand corner and click Edit. Clicking on the three dots will access the context menu. Here you can choose to duplicate or deactivate your profile, which will set it to inactive. First, you want to edit the name of the scoring profile. If you plan to create multiple scoring profiles, you'll want to be specific with the name. Make sure your profile is set to active, then add a brief description. You can include details of what is being scored, what brand it represents, or maybe even actions that will take place within the thresholds. Further, you can choose to display this profile as default on the lead and contact card in Sugar Market. Users can still toggle between profiles to view the score and scoring summary within the record. But checking this box would make this profile initially displayed. This should be checked for your most generic profile. You can also choose a profile to be used as a default account scoring profile. When checked, this will roll up the individual lead or contact score to the account they are associated with. All individual scores will be averaged to create an overall account score. This feature can be enabled in one active scoring profile. Next, we have two options for field mapping to push scoring data to the Contacts and Accounts table. This data can be used to display on the lead and contact records, displaying your market qualified accounts on the global dashboard, reporting, or dynamic list creation. First, you'll choose which field to map the individual score to. You can use the default score field, which will not push to CRM. If you want to push this data to CRM, you will need to create a custom field in CRM and select that field here. Next, you can choose to map the lead stage summary to the CRM field. This data is pushed from your lead stage thresholds. The value is defined within each threshold. You do not need to map this. If you want to push this information to CRM, then you'll need to create a custom field in your CRM and select that field here as well. The default Sugar Market field is called Fusion Score Description. In the next video in this series, you'll learn about the additional scoring actions below.